Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance your photos using an offline AI tool from HitPaw. HitPaw specializes in AI technology, and in this tutorial we'll test out their 4 AI models, so let's get started. 1. Installation. To install HitPaw Photo Enhancer, go to HitPaw Photo Enhancer website. You can find the link in this video description. Click Try It for Free button to download HitPaw Installer. Open Installer and follow the installation instruction. If you have serial key for this product, you can enter your serial number by Open Activation window by clicking Key button on the top of Application window. If you don't have serial number, you can use link in the description to get 50% off discount. 2. General Model. To enhance or upscale your photo, click Choose File button to open your own image. In this model, I'll try use built-in photo stock. You can choose quality mode for better quality output or fast mode with less quality but faster. You can select upscale resolution from resolution option. You can turn on acceleration mode if needed and select custom output folder. After everything is set, click Preview button to start processing your image. If you satisfied the result, you can save the image result by click Export button. If not satisfied, you can try another model or resolution. Three. Denoise Model. Use Denoise Model to automatically remove noise from high ISO and low lighting images with the powerful AI noise reduction technology and make cartoon image look clearer as well. Four. Face Model. This best AI face enhancer provides a face model to remove blemishes and wrinkles, making your face flawless. It also can help you to fix the blurry part of the portrait. Five. Colorize Model. HitPaw helps you to restore old photos and colorize black and white photos to bring old photos back to life with one click. You can easily reap your old photos and make them vivid ones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support me. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye bye.